Hello everyone, I am Neha Malhotra. I am an AICI certified image professional and the founder of International Image Consulting Institute. IICI is one of the first independent AICI CEU provider for international image consulting professional certification courses. Today I am going to be talking about color. What is color? Color is one of the elements of design. It is the most important element of design because it is visual. In image consulting, we do talk about all the visual perceptions that people have about us, and color is one of the most strongest visual perception. Color is a psychology, color is a sensation. Color leaves an impact on the person who's wearing it and on the person who's looking at us. So it is very important for us to look pleasant. We need to be dressed up in the correct colors. So today I'm going to be explaining some color theories, some concepts about the color analysis system. We follow a 12-season color analysis system. To begin with, we start with the 4 color seasons and then we gradually graduate to 12 color season system. The 4 color season system that we follows the real seasons that exist in the world. The 4 seasons are summer, autumn, winter and spring. And eventually, when we go further in the color system, we understand the values and the intensities about the color, and then we graduate into 3 more dimensions of color, and then we come to a 12 color season system. This is a basic color wheel wherein we talk about the color theory. So the existence of color system started with the 3 primary colors. The 3 primary colors are red, blue and yellow. When we mix equal amounts and quantities of primary colors with each other, we get 3 secondary colors. So when we mix blue and red, we get violet. When we mix red and yellow, we get orange. And when we mix equal quantities of yellow and blue, we get green. So orange, violet and green are secondary colors. Going further on the color wheel, as you see, both primary and secondary colors are spaced equidistant from each other on the color wheel. When we mix equal quantities of one primary and one secondary color, we get a third color which is called a tertiary color. For example, when I mix red with orange, here red being the primary color and orange being the secondary color, the color which we get as an outcome is red-orange. Red-orange is a tertiary color and it is addressed by the name of the primary color. In today's session, we will be talking more about color values, color intensities and few more dimensions of colors like tones, tints and shades. Thank you for watching the video today and stay tuned.